everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Nurholis. You can call me Holis. I am from class 22A. Okay, development and material. Organization behavior. Okay, the next. What is the organization behavior? A system consistent of the concrete my activities that are carried on together, regulation and reverting by a group of people to achieve a goal. So organizational behavior is change that distorts human attitude toward where the clock is with one corporation age. The phenomenon of study organization behavior change everyone has to own a perfection, personality, lives experience, the brand attitude, beliefs, and lives and ideals. It grants out organizational goals. This means the effort the from study to improve organization performance. That change of organization behavior can be used as effort the understanding of shell in organization and attitude is considered important because in influence where the organization behavior will the ultimately be can be brought when when the when the individual work the organization of person perfectioning on templates or the exhibition becomes a direction for a person to do something. Factor affecting organizational behavior. An organization is diverse. Maybe the goals can be achieved and exist the behavior carried out the competition input into output at the lowest cost. Cost in can be concludes that the productivity relate to efficient that this can affect the affected and exist of the organization. Reduction of absences. Absences is the coming to what the risk of reaction hits levels of absence can be helps direct impact organization effective and efficient directs in turnover employers turnover rates the employers we will enter my organization and live to permanent reaction from the organization. Increase job satisfaction is the difference between we the believe to show resistance and will the actual resistance employers sites to feel certain is different is mathematical positive. Main dimension in organizational behavior. Concept mention organization behavior has the conceptual mention, namely opportunity culture and the social media elements that influence the establishment of selection with the external system mission. This includes how the change management process to carry out the activity effective and efficient with this pickets and watermarty of logalistic approach. And number 3, human dimension. This dimension is a dimension factor in organization reflects in physiology because the extension of the organization is caused by existence of humus. Variable that influence organization behavior. Defines the variable, namely K the factory that one experience or estimation and which are the influenced by a number one after the factory and responsibility influenced by independent variable. And this the dependent variable include a productivity is I performance make sure that's influence effective and efficient. Absency, namely filing of the tour, resign to employers, turn on, namely volunteer and influencer, will work the front end organization. Job satisfying with my attitude to a person job I display between the amount the pay I with the research plan and one the life and soul reset variable that influence organization behavior. The independent inspired influence responsive include the following individual life variable, namely age, gender, marriage status, length of service age. Big group level dispensable. Organizational system lab the variable. Okay, the conclusion organization behavior is a system consisting of the actives that's the joint tree or the regulation and revenue by a group people to achieve a goal. The aim of studying organism behavior is so that we can predict and solve various problem that is human international is organization both international with people and the he experiment. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video. Wassalam.